story. Weeks after the Pune hit-and-run horror, another similarly horrific crime has come to the fore from Mumbai's posh locality of Worli. A speeding BMW mowed down a two-wheeler born couple this morning, in which the female pillion rider has lost her life. While the husband managed to save himself, he could not save his wife, who was reportedly dragged for almost 100 meters by the BMW as the driver attempted to flee the scene of the crime. Now, the car belongs to a prominent Shiv Sena leader, Rajesh Shah. He, along with the car driver, have been arrested. But the Neta's son, Mihir Shah, who was behind the wheels when this accident took place, is absconding. He has been booked and 6 police teams have been deployed to locate him. Now, what makes this case even more horrific, just like the one in Pune, is that the Neta's son was reportedly drunk when his car rammed into the two-wheeler. In a CCTV footage that has now surfaced from the night before the incident, the accused can be seen leaving from a bar with his friends.
These are the CCTV footage that has been accessed by Mirror Now, which clearly shows that Mihir Shah, one who is dressed in the black t-shirt, along with his friend, leaving from the bar at Juhu in Mumbai. Now, whether he has consumed alcohol or not is something that will be investigated, but this we can understand that this is the last CCTV or the last location that can be traced, because after which it is, if we believe our sources, he then went to a location in Goregaon where he changed the car and requested the driver for a long drive till Marine Drive, where till Marine Drive the driver drove the car, but as he returned back from Marine Drive, he was driving the car, and he insisted on driving the car when outside the Atria Mall in Worli, this horrific hit-and-run the accident took place. So definitely, this is all source-based information that we can tell our viewers at this given point of time.
सीसीटीवी फुटेज प्राप्त करने की और बाकी सभी कोशिश अपनी तरफ से चालू है। हमारे पास एक व्यक्ति हमारे ताबे में है और चौकसी उसकी चालू है, तो सब साक्ष्य के आधार पर सारी चीजें सामने आएगी और इस प्रकरण का पूरी तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है।
Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, meanwhile, has assured that the culprits will not be spared and that the strictest of action will be taken against them. Uddhav Sena leader and MLA from Worli, Aditya Thackeray, met with the victim's husband and urged the government to take action without any political bias. Other opposition leaders, meanwhile, are hitting out at the Mahayuti government, calling for the arrest of the absconding accused.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है, और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नजरिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
Sir, evidences are there. What update you got from the victim and the police side?
The update is the father and the driver have been caught. Most importantly, the culprit has to be caught. We hope that there will be no political support to the culprit. I'm not giving it a political color as of now. He belongs to the Mindi gang. Yet, I will give the benefit of doubt to the law, and I hope that the culprit is caught.
एकनाथ शिंदे के लोग ऐसे फरार हो जाएंगे, एक दिन एकनाथ शिंदे भी फरार हो जाएगा। एक गुंडों की टोली सरकार चला रही है महाराष्ट्र में, और एकनाथ शिंदे क्या है पूरे देश को मालूम है, हमको भी मालूम है। अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, पुलिस व्यवस्था, कानून उस राज्य में है तो मिहिर शाह को पकड़ लीजिए। उसका नाम शाह है, भूलो मत। शाह ये भाग जाने वाले लोग हैं क्राइम करके।